Prepare your vehicle for winter conditions by inspecting the battery, tires, and fluids, keeping your gas tank at least half full, clearing snow and ice from your vehicle, and compiling a safety kit with essentials like blankets, food, water, a shovel, and jumper cables. While driving, exercise caution by accelerating gently and maintaining a safe distance on slippery roads. Below are some lists for driving in cold winter. 1. Battery. Cold weather depletes batteries. Have it inspected and verify cables are secure and clean. 1. Tires. Check tire pressure, ensure sufficient tread depth, and evaluate the need for winter tires. Clear snow from the tires. 1. Fluids. Top off the antifreeze and switch to winter-grade windshield washer fluid. Maintain a half-full gas tank to prevent fuel line freeze-up. 1. Wipers and lights. Replace worn blades and lift them off the windshield to prevent freezing. Check that all lights are clean, working properly, and are not damaged. 1. Brakes and belts. Inspect the brakes and examine the hoses and belts for cracks or damage. Always plan ahead for your daily commute and drive safely. Thank you for watching.